Sea Urchin Processing Center.
So these are the local sea urchins that the divers caught here off Point Loma and La Jolla. These are harvested by divers that are registered with the Fish and Game. It's a limited entry fishery. We also have a size limit, so the divers can only pick the sea urchins that are 3 1/4 inch and larger. The size limit is something that the industry advocated about 20 years ago, so we'd have a sustainable resource. So as you can see, these sea urchins now are getting ready to be cracked open. We have a special tool that we use to open the sea urchins. It's kind of reverse pliers where you squeeze it. Instead of tightening down, it opens things up. Look on the inside of the sea urchin and you see the roe and the stomach. Really, that's all they have. They got a stomach. They eat seaweed mostly. They've got the reproductive organs and they've got spines to protect them. Pretty basic animal. At the time, 20 years ago, these were considered pests because there were so many of them out there where they were knocking down the kelp beds. But an industry started when we found out that it's a Japanese delicacy at the sushi bars. We've developed into quite an industry right now. And so after the sea urchins are split open, the ladies will spoon out the roe and the stomach. Over here we have the cleaning operation where we separate the stomach membrane from the roe. And it's kind of a time-consuming. They have to be very careful because the roe is very delicate at this point. The uni is going in a brine solution just to be thoroughly washed before it's drained for packing. Here we have the draining process where the sea urchins, we try to get the extra water out of the baskets, and we add paper towels to absorb the extra water off the uni at this point. So next they go into the cooler now. So here the sea urchins they've got the paper towels, they're being drained. Here we can see how the sea urchins are packed into the wooden trays for the sushi bars. The ladies are very skillful in the way they're able to separate the qualities, the colors, and the sizes, and artistically pack them on the wooden trays. So when it gets to the sushi bar, everybody will be very impressed by the way that things are packed. Here we have the finished product ready for the sushi bars. These are all packed in wooden trays ready to be delivered to your local sushi bar. We also do some plastic trays which go to supermarkets. Time for sushi now.